Hi everyone, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we've got a true icon in the building, the legendary Timberland Premium 6-inch boots in that classic wheat color, which is the original style that the Timberland boots came in. These boots are not just about style, they're built tough, made to last, and have been a staple in streetwear and outdoor gear for decades. It's also left its trademark on the hip-hop culture. Now I'm showing you the box. You can see the original box has a Timberland logo at the bottom in the front. On the side of the box you'll find a barcode. That is your Timberland wheat boot there. It says Timberland Premium 6-inch waterproof boot in wheat Nubuck. So this is Nubuck, guys. On the top right you'll see a barcode that's specific to that boot, your shoe size, as well as other sizes from different countries. So the front Timberland logo. Underneath you'll find a declaration from Timberland regarding the boot, the box, the recycling of it. So let's unbox this true premium iconic Nubuck Timberland boot, guys. So you can see inside you have the Timberland wrapper on the boot. Inside the box you have a waterproof guarantee sticker, and it says from 1973. So that's when the shoe was launched. This definitely is a real icon, guys, a shoe that everyone must have. And there it is, guys, the Timberland Nubuck Premium 6-inch. Now this is Nubuck, guys. Nubuck is a more stronger form of leather. It's more durable. It has a more waterproof intensity, and it's much more durable than normal leather. So there you, as you can see, and that's all there is inside the box. Guys, if you like this video and you'd like to see more product reviews, please hit that subscribe button. Now as you can see, guys, these are the Nubuck Timberlands, and there are a lot of fakes out there as well, guys. A lot of fake replicas, second copy of Timberland Premium boot, because it's such an iconic boot. We're going to go over the original aspects of the shoe. So as you can see, on the side of the shoe you have the Timberland logo. You have a 4 stitching around the side of the shoe that starts from the bottom of the lace tab. That perfect stitching on the top. You have leather at the top back of the shoe, the leather padding. You can see the lace studs. It has 7 lace studs with an octagonal lace, silver lace stud. The lace colors are yellow, as you can see. It has that hard gum soles. Look at the front of the shoe. I'm doing a 360 to show you guys exactly how the shoe looks. You can see the perfect stitching at the back of the shoe, the hard, rugged soles for durability. It has a stitching that's running across the top of the shoe. Nubuck, guys, the shoe is very solid, very durable, feels very tough, not cheaply made at all, as you know, the Timberland. You can see, guys, by squeezing, trying to cramp it, it does not bend. It's very strong. That Nubuck material is very strong on this. And you can see that iconic look that it gives, that speaks for itself. So we can see the design of the boot all around. It has that yellow laces. I want to unlace it and show you the tongue of the shoe. So you can see the tongue of the shoe. Your lace studs, as I've mentioned, the yellow and black laces, the perfect diamond stitching around the shoe, at the back of the shoe. On the inside, you can see the inner soles. It has a Timberland logo on the inner soles. The inner soles are wheat color as well. On the inside of the shoe, on the left, you'll see a serial number, and it says made in Bangladesh, so you know it's original. On the right hand side of the shoe, you have a small stamp that says the shoe is genuine leather, Nubuck leather, and that's a stamp from Timberland to show that the shoe is original. Underneath, you can see the gum sole. This is the type of design the soles have. You have a Timberland logo, Timberland writing as well, Timberland text. You can see that club design underneath the boot. These are all the components of an original Timberland boot, guys. So those are your Timberland Nubuck Premium 6-inch boots. Very iconic, very prestigious, guys. Well known throughout the hip-hop culture. I definitely recommend everyone to have a pair of Timberland boots. And you saw I've went through the components to show you how you can identify the originality of the shoe. And that is your Timberland boots.